Hey guys, Tyler with US Duct here to show you how easy and quick our Legend Baghouse setup is. We're going to have our timer going here in the background, so no cuts, so you can see from start to finish just how easy it is. So the first step is taking our competitor's 16-step, 3-hour install guide and just chucking it somewhere. Now before we start, make sure you have these tools and equipment at your ready. You're going to need a forklift, knife for unboxing, 1/4-inch impact driver with Phillips bit, 3/8 socket, 1/2-inch wrench, 1/2-inch socket, T25 bit, and don't forget your safety glasses. Now first step is unboxing the Legend Baghouse. You're going to need your Phillips bit for this. Next step is removing the hopper with a forklift. You have 2 forklift holes right there. Hey Christian, you mind moving this for me?
Yeah, I got you, bud.
Mind holding right there, Christian? Make sure to grab your hardware and your control panel from inside the hopper. Next step, take your T25 bit and remove the screws from the feet. You're going to have a screw on all 6 legs. Next step is removing the pallet from underneath the dust collector. Hey Christian, you mind moving this for me? Thanks, Kristen. Now on each leg, you're going to have a 1/2-inch bolt. You're going to want to unscrew those before we lift up the collector. Next, we're going to want to lift up the top part of the collector. You're going to want to put your forks right in between this bag and this bag. And you'll notice right now they're wrapping the forks. The reason we're doing that is so we don't get the bags dirty. as he's lifting this up, we're going to want to guide these 2 holes to the holes on the body of the dust collector. Keep on going up, Christian. Good right there. Now take your hardware that you grabbed out of the hopper. We're going to want to open these bags, reach down inside, stick the 1/2-inch bolt through the hole, and tighten it down. Now you'll notice I did this corner last. Reason being, this is where our air control panel is going to be installed. You're going to put that on these 2 holes right here. So these 2 holes on the air control panel are going to line up with these 2 right here. First, I'm going to go ahead and put this leg on. Now I'm reaching down in this hole. Let's take a look down in there. 2 holes are down at the bottom. Now before I bolt this on, we're going to want to hook our air lines up. You'll notice on the control panel, you have each airline labeled with a letter, and it corresponds with the letter on each hose. So here's our A. This is our A on the control panel. I'll hook that up. Now our B. Here's our B. C. Now D. Make sure to put the bolt on this side, then stick it in. Thanks, Jason. Next step, we're going to put the bag back on. So once the unit is moved to where you want it, you're going to want to anchor it to the floor. Hardware is not included for that. The next step is powering the unit. You're going to need 480 or 220 volts AC 3-phase. So let's go ahead and power this up. Next step, hooking up your air. Minimum requirement of 90 PSI. Let's go ahead and turn our air on. All right, let's go ahead and power on our unit. And when I turn this on, what we're gonna look out for is if the bags fill up with air, then you're golden. If they start to suck in, then we're gonna need to reverse the wiring. Thanks, Christian. And there you have it. The Legend APC dust collector is completely set up. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us-duct.com. Now let's check out our timer. 26 minutes. Man, that was fast.